All of these extensions are free. You can easily disable or remove them. Best Google Chrome extensions can make your experience with the most popular web browser even better. After all, Chrome already offers swift performance, a clean interface, and easy syncing with devices. But good extensions can offer even more. Number 1. Grammarly. From grammar and spelling to style and tone, Grammarly helps you eliminate errors and find the perfect words to express yourself. To use Grammarly on Google Docs, you can simply download the Google Chrome extension and it will automatically be added as an extension to Google Docs. Install Grammarly for Chrome. Log into your Google account. Grammarly will review your text for grammar, spelling, and punctuation mistakes. Keep following my steps. Number 2. Google Translate. Simply type Google Translate extension. You can translate a language into another language with Google Translate. If you have installed Google Translate extension, you can translate words without having to open a new tab. Keep following my steps. Number 3. Mercury Reader extension. Type Mercury Reader extension and install Mercury Reader. Mercury Reader is a Chrome extension that turns any web page into a clean view by disabling surrounding web page noise. You can save the clean view to your reading list. Keep following my steps. Number 4. Social Blade extension. Type Social Blade extension and install Social Blade. Social Blade track user statistics for many of the biggest social media platforms in the world. These statistics and analytics will allow you to gain a better understanding of user growth and trends. This will directly impact and help you with the path you use for your small business social media marketing. Keep following my steps. Number 5. TinEye extension. Type and install TinEye extension. TinEye is a reverse image search engine. To use the extension, right-click on any web image and select Search Image on TinEye from the context menu. Results are displayed for you at tineye.com. Keep following my steps. Thank you.